Okay, so 4 is another midpoint question. We have a line segment, R, T, and we know that it has a midpoint that's called S. We know that S is at 3, 4, and we know that T is at 6, -3. And our goal is to figure out what the coordinates must be for R. We need an XY coordinate for R so that S would land in the middle. So how do I get to the midpoint at all? I add up the X coordinates and split them in half. That's the mean for the X's. And I add up the Y coordinates and I split them in half. And what I'm going to get out would be this midpoint, 3, 4. So you guys probably know where we're going from here. I need to know, what does X have to be so that when I add 6 to it and split it in half, I get 3. So in essence, I want to know the solution. The average of the X's is supposed to be 3. And we can solve for this. Multiply by 2, I get 6. Subtract 6, I get 0. So I learned that X for the R coordinate must be 0. Can you see it there too on the camera? Okay. And then the Y coordinate, when I average those, it's supposed to be 4. The average is 4. So 8, and then add 3, make 11. I learned that the Y coordinate for this other endpoint, R, has to be 11. So in order for this to truly be in the center, R's coordinates had to be 0, 11. We're using the same concept about how to find the average to help us figure out anything that we're asked about distances and midpoints. Okay?
Mm-hmm.